Want to know how to add API keys in AgentGPT so that you can just simply customize and test your agent? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your AgentGPT website. So you can just simply head towards agentgpt.rework.ai right here on top, and you should be there. So we have also created similar videos about AgentGPT, so make sure to watch it. Now, in order to add API keys, it's super simple. You need to open up menu. So on the top left side, you should be seeing these three hamburger icons, the symbols like that, and your menu should open up. And now, right here, right below help, you should be seeing settings, the symbols like that. And now once you select that settings, you can just simply type in your language or anything, and right below that, you should be seeing your API key. So you can just simply type in your API key. So you can also find your API key by selecting Open AI Dashboard. And once that is done, you can just simply select test right here. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.